Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhini's World. Today I am going to share with you how I am organizing my little crampy laundry room to more easily accessible and more beneficial to store all the cleaning products which we usually stock once in 6 months. Actually, I want to say it's not exactly a room, it's a small closet space. We stay in a townhome where we don't have much closet space to store cleaning essentials. Then we decided why don't we change our laundry look? So we waited until the time when our old 10-year washer and dryer told us buy and decided to buy new stackable washer and dryer to use the remaining space by giving some refreshing look. Before starting the video, please pardon me for showing some shaky video parts as we don't have enough space to use tripod because I need to go inside that space and show you how I am organizing. Hope you all understand. So let's start organizing. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. Please do share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section. Also, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.